Shit. We discussed this topic in last class. Now we discuss the world major manufacturing industries. Now we discuss the distribution iron steel in the world. Iron and steel industry is the widely distributed. It is the centralization in the developed country of the North America, Europe and Asia. China, USA, Japan, Russia and the Germany are the major producing country of the world. Besides these, South Korea, Ukraine, Brazil, Italy and India also produce iron and steel. First we discuss about the China. China is the largest steel producing country of the world. China has the enough raw material for the industry. Major iron and steel industries of the China are the Manchurian region. It is the largest region of the China. Here the Anshan and the Fushan are the main center. North China region, many steel center are developed here near the Shanxi and Shanxi, coal region center and the Polbao, Beijing, Tianjin. Yangtze Yang Valley region. This region has the facility to the raw material and the water transportation. So the main center of this region is the Burhan, Shanghai, Hokkyo and Chongqing. Other centers is the Canton, Chongqing, Chongming and Tingsong. Japan is the second largest and the steel producing country of the world. In spite the unavailability of the raw material with the strength of the external technology. जापान में रॉ मटेरियल नहीं पाया जाता, वो दूसरे देशों से इंपोर्ट करता है, लेकिन फिर भी वर्ल्ड में सेकंड स्टील प्रोड्यूसिंग कंट्री है, बिकॉज हियर द टेक्नोलॉजी इज द बेस्ट क्वालिटी. मीन्स ऑफ द ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड एडिक्वेट कैपिटल एंड द गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज इज बेटर हियर. इट बिकम द मेजर स्टील प्रोड्यूसिंग कंट्री. मेन एरिया आर द नागासाकी, यामाता रीजन. It is the Japan largest iron and steel producing area. It is situated in the North Kyushu Island. Main center are Yamata, Nagasaki, Kokura, Mochi or Shimonoseki. Kobe Osaka region. It is situated in the southern part of the Honshu Island. Main center are the Kobe, Osaka, Hirohitoi, Sakai, Tokyo, Yokohama region. It is situated in the north eastern part of the Honshu Island, Tokyo. Yokohama, Kobayashi and the main center of this region, Moran region. This region is situated in the southern part of the Honshu Island. Main center are the Moran, Varanasi, Ishikari. United States of America. It is the world largest producer and the consumer of the iron and steel in many decades due to the resources. यूएसए में कंजम्पशन भी बहुत ज्यादा है आयरन स्टील का, क्योंकि वहां पर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री बहुत ज्यादा है और उसके साथ साथ में वहां पर प्रोड्यूसिंग भी बहुत ज्यादा होता है, क्योंकि आयरन ओर के माइन भी काफी है, रिसोर्सेज काफी है. एप्लीकेशन एरिया मेन का सेंटर आर द इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन द लोकलाइजेशन ऑफ आयरन स्टील इंडस्ट्री. मेजर आयरन स्टील रीजन आर गिवन below. First the Petersburg, Youngstown region. This region is situated in the Ohio River Valley in the North Appalachian area. Main center are the Petersburg, the famous iron steel producing area, and the Youngstown, Brockton, Georgetown, and Hampstead. The Chicago Valley region. This region is situated in the south of Lake Michigan. Main center are the Chicago, Gary, and Michigan. Sorry, Milwaukee, not Michigan, Milwaukee. Any lake region. This region extends to the coast of and the adjoining area of the Erie Lake. Main center are the Detroit, Buffalo, Erie, Cleveland, and Toledo. Mid-Atlantic region. This region expands in the Massachusetts and the Maryland state. Main center are the Sparrow Point, Elliottown, and the Seton. Alabama region. This spread over the Alabama and the Tennessee state. Main center are the Alabama, Birmingham. Western region. Most of this region is small and the spread. Main center are the Los Angeles, जिसको हम शॉर्ट में LA कहते हैं, पुलवामा और सैन फ्रांसिस्को। रशिया is the fourth state iron steel producing country of the world. Major region of the iron steel producing area given below. Ural region. Ural is a mountain that divides the Europe and Asia continent. So it is oldest and the leading region. Producing region in the main center are the Magnitsky, Nijinsky और Tagil. Kuznetsk region. This region is situated in the western Siberia. Main center are the Kuznetsk and Novokuznetsk. Integrated region. This region is situated in the adjoining area of the Moscow. Main center are the Tula, Lipetsk, Leningrad and Gorky. Other countries. Düsseldorf and the Erihan in Germany, Kirboy Rock and Donetsk in Ukraine, Jamshedpur, Durgapura, Raulkela, Bhilai, Bokaro, Salem, Visakhapatnam and Bhadravati in India are the iron steel center. Major iron steel center of the Britain are Cardiff, Tywood, Hartford, Sheffield, Glasgow, Frankfurt and Leicester. Apart from these, the Canada, Brazil, Argentina, South Africa, Algeria, Moscow, Zimbabwe are the other iron steel producing center. Now we discuss about the textile industries. The main requirement after the food for a man, clothing is one of the oldest industries of the man. खाने के बाद में मनुष्य को जो सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत होता है वो कपड़ा होता है। ये दुनिया का पुरानी इंडस्ट्रीज में से एक है। पहले कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज में काम होता था, आजकल मैकेनाइज इंडस्ट्रीज में काम होता है। Situated the cottage and the small scale industry, this presently it has become a highly developed industry in major industrial country of the world. Modern textile manufacturing organized in the Britain during the Industrial Revolution. This industry spread from the Britain to the other country of the world. टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री की शुरुआत ब्रिटेन में हुई थी और उसके बाद में पूरी दुनिया में फैला। द फॉलोइंग इंडस्ट्रीज आर इंक्लूड इन दिस। द कॉटन इंडस्ट्रीज में कुछ और इंडस्ट्रीज भी शामिल है, लाइक द कॉटन टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्रीज, वुलन टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्रीज, सिल्क टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्रीज एंड जूट textile industry. First we discuss about the cotton textile industries. This cotton textile industries is the most important industry in the textile industries. Cotton is the raw material, coal and the hydroelectricity for power, cheap and the skilled labor in the abundant humid climate with the sea breeze, large quantity of the pure water, extensive market and the government encouragement are the requirement of this establishment of the cotton textile industry. बड़ी मात्रा में इसके लिए पानी चाहिए, साफ हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यानी चीप इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चाहिए, स्किल्ड लेबर चाहिए, ह्यूज कैपिटल चाहिए, ह्यूमन क्लाइमेट कंडीशन चाहिए, जिससे कि और गवर्नमेंट की पॉलिसीज जिससे कि इस इंडस्ट्रीज को एस्टेब्लिश और डेवलप किया जा सके. Although the cotton yarn and the cotton textile are the manufactured in the all tropical and the subtropical countries China, India, Russia, USA, Japan are the major cotton textile producing country of the world. China holds the first position in cotton textile producing. Shanghai, Canton, Tunshin, Shantung and Dalian are the main cotton textile center. India holds the second position after the China in cotton textile producing. Main center in India are Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Solapur, Nasik, Surat, Vadodara, Nagpur, Indore, Warangal, Gwalior, Kolkata, Delhi, Kanpur, Bhilwara, Byawar, Pali, Coimbatore, Madurai, Salem, Bangalore. In the United States of America, cotton textile producing in the New England Center, Atlantic State and the South Appalachian State of the at present this industry has compete with the artificial fiber. अब इस इंडस्ट्रीज को बेटा जी जो पॉलिस्टर जैसे आर्टिफिशियल फाइबर से उनके साथ में कॉम्पीट करना पड़ रहा है, यानी मार्केट में इनके साथ में उनको कॉम्पीट करना पड़ रहा है. At present, this industry has to compete with the artificial fiber due to the negative trend seen in this industry. The many countries, this industry is shifting toward the less developed countries instead of the developed country due to the low cost labor. अब developed countries इस industries को अपने यहाँ से shift करके developing और under developing countries में लेके जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि वहाँ पर labor cost बहुत कम है और developed countries में labor cost बहुत ज्यादा है. इसलिए so this industry is shifting toward developing country to developed country to developing country. Now we discuss about the woolen textile industry. Woolen textile industry is the second largest industry in the world after cotton textile industry. Woolen textile industries has developed rapidly during the 17th century in the England. After the Second World War, the invention of the modern machine in Japan accelerated the development of this industry. देखिए इसकी शुरुआत ब्रिटेन में हुई थी, लेकिन सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर के टाइम में जब वर्ल्ड वॉर चल रहा था तो जापान की आर्मी बड़ी मात्रा में आगे बढ़ रही थी और ठंडा क्षेत्र था, यानी कोल्ड रीजन था. कोल्ड उनकी लिए उनकी जो आर्मी के फोर्स सोल्जर थे उनके लिए बड़ी मात्रा में उनके लिए उन्हें ऊनी कपड़े यानी वुलन क्लॉथ्स की जरूरत थी, और जिसको पूरा हाथ की जगह मशीनों से किया जाना था, और उसके लिए मशीनों को डेवलप किया गया और मशीन इंडस्ट्रीज की शुरुआत हुई. Woolen textile industry is important industries in terms of the value. Although this is the only 10 to 15% of the cotton textile industry, market easy approach to the raw material are the most important factor. For location of the woolen textile industry, skilled labor, fresh water supply, ability of the power resources, access to the capital and transportation are the important factor which affect the woolen textile industries. About 2/3 of the woolen textile industry in the concentrated in the Europe, present in the industries has developed in the more than 40 countries: Russia, China, Japan, Germany, India, United States of America, Romania, Poland, Great Britain are major woolen textile producing country. Only 5% of the woolen textile is produced in countries of the southern hemisphere, because in southern hemisphere there is no cold region, so there is no requirement of warm cloth. Southern hemisphere such as the Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, Argentina and the Europe, as this country of the tropical climate and spare population. Now, silk textile industries. Silk textile industries influenced the development of the cottage industries in the China form of hair. The industry developed in the other country in the world. It took the form of the factory industry with the invention of the automatic looms. Looms is a place where the yarn are collected and work of weaving done. Since in the beginning, silk cloth has been a luxury article to the wealthy people. Hence, the industry is a limited and the concentrated industries are compared to the cotton textile and the woolen textile industries. Natural silk is obtained from the substance derived from the salva of the insect of the called the voxumu. These insects survive on the leaf of the mulberry, walk and the stick substance extract from his mouth over the body. All this stage is known as the cocoon. This matured cocoon is boiled in the water to segregate the bright silk from the insect, and then it is the thread up to the thread separately. After this, the silk cloth are made. There are the three phases of the silk textile industry: production of the cocoon, wrapping of the silk thread from the cocoon, and weaving of the silk textiles. Almost the raw silk producing country in the world. Japan producing about the 50%, China 28%, Russia 6%, India also 6%. Silk textile industry is the mainly influenced by the demand and the market. Silk textiles are the quite expensive and the industry has the flourished in the countries with the sufficient child labor. Major silk textile producing countries are Japan, United States of America, France, China, Taiwan, Germany, England and India. Eastern Asia countries producing about the 85% of the world raw silk wear. These countries produce only 35% of the silk textiles. Japan, Yokohama, Fukushima, Niigata, Kunki and the Kyoto are the major center of the weaving silk textile in the silk industries has been developed in China since ancient period. During ancient period, the China silk reached Europe through land routes. This route is termed as Silk Route by the historical Shanghai, Guangwei and the major silk textile center. In the United States of America, Pennsylvania, in the leading state in the silk textile, Peter City in the largest silk garment manufacturing, and it is also known as the Silk City. The city of the Lyon located in the Rohan Valley of the largest silk textile manufacturer of France in India. Kolkata, Mysore, Bangalore, Chennai are the major centers. Jute textile industry. Jute textile industry is associated with production the sack jute cloth thick. During the jute industries produce the cheap, strong and the durable material for the packing industry. At present, garment and other products are made by the bleeding high quality jute with the cotton or wool. India and the Bangladesh are the pioneer of the jute cultivation. It is the cultivated in Brahmaputra Valley of Delta region of the Ganga. This industry is developed in the countries like India, Bangladesh, Germany, Great Britain, France, Italy, Belgium, Sweden, Japan, Canada, United States of America, China, Thailand. India and the Bangladesh are the major jute producing export. It is the complete of chapter 9.